How to check Agoda booking ID. If you've booked a stay with Agoda and need to find your booking ID, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check and verify your Agoda booking ID. So let's get started. First things first, open the Agoda website or launch the Agoda app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the same account that you used to make the booking. Now simply tap on the three horizontal bars at the top of the screen and scroll down until you find an option that says My Bookings. Here you'll see a list of all your bookings. Find the reservation you want to check and tap or click on it to open the details. Once you've opened the booking details, scroll down to find your booking ID. It's usually listed on the reservation details or booking information. If you need to verify your booking ID or need confirmation, you can also check your email as well. Agoda usually sends a confirmation email with all your booking details. And that's it. Now we know easily how to find and verify your Agoda booking ID.